Kyocera ECOSYS PA6000x printer is set at the factory to work at altitudes up to 3,280 feet. If you're at an altitude higher than 3,280 feet, you must set the printer to your altitude to maintain print quality. You can also find this adjustment in the PA6000x operation guide. With the printer running, press the menu key. Scroll through the list to find Adjust Maintenance and press OK. Scroll to Service Setting and press OK. Scroll through the menu to find Altitude Adjust and press on OK. Select the altitude range of your location. 1,001 meters to 2,000 meters is for altitudes from 3,281 feet to 6,561 feet. Choose 2,001 meters to 3,000 meters for altitudes of 6,562 feet to 9,842 feet. Select 3,001 meters to 3,500 meters for altitudes of 9,843 feet up to 11,483 feet. After making your choice, press on OK. Exit out by pressing the menu key.